Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Wednesday morning trading room. All right, we got the screen share going on. Last couple of days, the market less than cooperative. Monday's session here looking like it has a larger range than it actually did. Monday, Tuesday, pretty much the same kind of days. Wednesday, we're still trading within the same prices. We really haven't moved anywhere. And today is FOMC day, so we'll see how the market behaves, but it's probably going to be pretty quiet. At least until the meeting is over. Just checking the reports calendar now. Ah, yes, lots of, here's the reports calendar courtesy of the Forex Factory. And these are all Pacific times, but you can see lots of red envelopes there. So that's going to put the old nicks in the wrinkle, as they like to say. I'll try to hold out for a better signal or setup this morning before attempting anything. Those of you who like your first in-sync eagle signal, well, it just printed right here, a signal to short. We have a comparable signal on the Raptor. This is your first in-sync Raptor signal. And it looks like we have a second push opportunity on it. Second push simply means we allow the signal to engage, we see where it reacts, and then we use that bar as our signal bar. Well, looks like we might be getting a little bit of follow through on that, or did I speak too soon again? Okay, getting another follow-up signal, and it looks like we're getting, well, I was going to say we're going to get a little bit of a push lower, but maybe not. Here on the Eagle, you can see we're testing the overnight lows. And we spent, I guess, a fair amount of time around the 78.90 zone yesterday. All right, something resembling a trend, maybe. Hits the primary support line, takes a little bit of a bounce. All right, well, that kind of activity is what we saw a lot of yesterday, isn't it? Where the market attempts to go higher or lower and then doesn't. It just keeps trading within the larger trading range. Now, we might call this a trading range, in which case this is the breakout, and we could put a just in case order to sell below there. If the bottom falls out of this market, then we're prepared to short it. Of course, that's going to take the overnight range into account, which, you know, it can be a little bit dodgy. right, well, I don't want to get too cute with the market here, but there is the potential that we could bracket these swings. We could, assuming this was a sideways trading range, we've got the bottom end covered. We could cover the top end as well. What time is it? Oh, it's quarter to the hour. My least favorite time of the day to trade. Okay, we've got a couple signals here on the Raptor to short. And we have our green bar sell here on the Eagle. So the Raptor and the Eagle definitely a little bit more bearish. We do have a trend change signal here on the Falcon. I'm not going to look to tighten my order just yet. I think I'll leave it as is for now. I should warn you, there's the definite potential of a fake break given the sideways nature of the market. There's a real potential that the market will just dip below here by a tick or two and not have any follow through. So be warned. I'll just get my profit orders in play just in case.
Order submitted.
All right, looks like we're going to try it here to the short side. And I'm probably going to be a little bit more aggressive here with my stops. If I can get a couple of bars in my favor. Well, they're thinking about it. Looking to encourage a few more sellers, I think. Yeah, not yet. All right, last chance for the sellers. So I'm going to start bringing my stops in a bit. Ideally, it's best to roll after 2 bearish bars. But honestly, I don't think I want to wait that long. Yeah, they're going to tap me here in a second, I think. Looking for the sellers to show up. Where are they? All right, well, got a couple of bars in our favor now. Not out of the woods yet, though. Wow, so this whole 78.85 zone holding up for the most part the market. Ooh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get past 2 bounces here. Not looking very promising here at the moment. Yeah. Okay, well, we tried shorting it. They did not want to go that way. So if this trading range is going to hold, there's a chance they may try to rally the market instead. So let's see, we've got ourselves a number 2 signal here. We're going to get an early cloud crossover signal. Okay, I'm going to use this current bar as my second push on this number 2 signal. It should also coincide with the early number 1 signal that may print, and we're going to get a falcon trend change signal as well. So there's a couple of things going on here. Trade needs to be covered below the low, and I'm going to stretch my profit target here a little bit. See if we can't get back toward the highs of the morning when and if the market actually rallies. Okay, so we're going to get the early number one signal. The cloud's not fully crossed yet, but they're looking like they're trying to cross. All right, here they go. Okay, so this now the early cloud crossover. It's going to coincide with the Falcon trend change signal, which is right here. We do have a loosely interpreted rule of three on the eagle, so there's a couple of things maybe leaning slightly to the bullish side. Could you guys, you could hear that music clip? That's pretty funny. Wow, just not getting any follow through here this morning. Ray says the VWAP fair chart price 78.97. So again, not too far off the median line here at 79.01. Well, we're trading in slow motion here. All right, here we go. So we got the early number 1 signal. We've got the Falcon signal, the trend change signal on the Falcon. We're going to have a rule of 3 signal on the Eagle. And we've got our first micro macro cross on the Hawk. So across the board, we're very, very slightly bullish. Okay, making a little headway. Nothing to get too excited about yet. If this is anything like the market has been the last few days, it's going to be a little bit painful. They're thinking about it. There we go. A little bit of a uptick. Okay. That's a start. Now, 5 points is our swing target. When we get up to be around 4 points, we're going to be about halfway, or pardon me, 3/4 of the ways to our profit target. Come on, keep going. Wow. Just when you thought the buyers may have a handle on it, but if these clouds are crossing, there's going to be a proper pullback and a proper number 1 signal. Yeah, Ron says this feels a lot like working for a living. Yeah, Phil says same day and day before FOMC is not good at all. No, it isn't. Especially, it looks like today is a bit of a monster day as far as reports go. Not a bad idea to take FOMC days off, or even, as Phil suggested, the day before. There we go. Okay, so, well, I guess technically this is still the early number one signal. All right, come on, the buyers got to get busy here or things are going to get a little dodgy. Come on. They're thinking about it. Keith says I'm taking my 2 ticks and calling it a day. Not a bad idea. All right, if we can break these highs, then I can safely roll my stops at least below this swing low here. And maybe even break even, maybe. Oh, look at that. Pushed back again. Isn't trading exciting? Well, I guess we're going to be closing up shop here at the bottom of the hour. Certainly not missing anything. Excuse me. The market does owe me one more push higher. Well, the good news is tomorrow should be less painful. I might be asking too much going for 10 ticks here. May have to scale it back to just my regular swing target, which would be 5 ticks, which would put us back here near the median line. So let's see, I'm in at 94, so I want out at 99.5. There we go. There's the proper number 1 signal. Come on, get above that high. I need to take out this swing high here. there we go. Okay, let's get this up to break even. Oh, no. They almost get to the profit target and just stall ever so slightly. Okay, I'm going to cover below this bar. If this bar reverses, it's probably going to tag me at break even. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see whether they back up now and tap me, or would have tapped me at break even. But that's the kind of day it is today. All right, boys and girls. Unless anybody has any questions, I think we're just going to close up shop here. If you are going to try to hang out here and trade today, it's a very, very odd day. We've got a very tight little sideways trading range going on here this morning. Something like that. Now that we're near the top end of the trading range, we're probably going to try, or we may see a move lower. But you know what? Truth be told, until it gets outside this range, it's really going to be tough slogging. So if you have something else to do, you may want to go do it and then come back tomorrow. All right, everyone. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.